Essential calculus topics with examples.
Integrals. Integration finds the area under a curve or the antiderivative of a function. Example, basic integration. Find integral of 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 dx. Solution, step 1. Apply the power rule for integration. Integral of a x power n dx equals to a over n plus 1 times x power n plus 1 plus c, where c is the constant of integration. The power rule for integration is given. Now, let's apply this rule to our problem. Let's integrate each term one by one. Step 2. Integrating 3x squared, which equals to 3 times x power 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, which is 3 over 3, times x cubed. Simplify 3 and 3, which equal to x cubed. Step 3. Integrating 5x, which equals to 5 times x power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, which is 5 by 2, times x squared. After integrating first and second terms, now let's integrate the last term. Step 4. Integrating 7, which equals to 7x. Now add all the terms. That equals to x cubed plus 5 by 2 times x squared minus 7x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Example, definite integral. Find the integral from 1 to 3 of the function 2x plus 1 dx. Solution. Step 1. Compute the antiderivative of the function. To find the antiderivative of the function, apply the power rule for integration to each term. That is, find the integral of 2x and 1 separately. That will be 2x power 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1. And integral of 1 is x. That simplifies to 2x squared by 2 plus x, which equals to x squared plus x after simplification. Step 2. Evaluate the limits at x equals 3 and x equals 1. That is, substitute x values in the antiderivative function and subtract the values. F of 3 is 3 squared plus 3, which equals to 12, and f of 1 is 1 squared plus 1, which equals to 2. Now f of 3 minus f of 1 equals to 12 minus 2, which is 10.
Thanks for watching.